So I have a feeling today is going to be interesting. I'm following Brent here from American Dirt Rider. He is a extremely good rider. He could put me in my place at any moment, very easily. But I'm going to try and keep up with him today and see what happens. We're kind of just doing some reconnaissance. He's looking for a track to make, so we're just kind of cruising around. He's looking at different areas, different things. So, as usual, let's see what kind of trouble I get myself into. Yeah, it's fun out here. You can look for the little single tracks. They're just crisscrossing all over the place, but you gotta look for them. Okay, the hand signal means he's turning. I gotta remember that. That's too funny. I thought he was pointing out something to look at. But it's just that I don't ride with people, so I think I missed that one. Whoa! And I am riding injured today. My wrist still hasn't healed up. It still hurts. It's not too bad. But it's not feeling great. It's definitely weak. It hurts when I point and I stress it in just a certain way. That was fun.
You were right there.
Yeah.
That was awesome. I was actually there's a couple of those corners that was like a last minute decision.
I know. Whoa.
Like, that's probably fine. You were like right there. I was like, oh shoot. Probably should give you a little warning then.
Yeah, I thought you were pointing to see something. I'm looking and then I look back and you're gone. I'm like, whoa. Oh shit. I'm worried about crashing into the back of him, and he was worried about me jumping over that trail. Woo. I'm glad he didn't stop. I would have plowed right into the back of him. All right, I'm gonna step back a bit here. Play it safe. Man, how can you do this with one hand? See, that's what I'm saying. He's kind of just cruising on this thing, and I'm like going as fast as I can. Big difference. We're going the same speed, but there's a huge difference in skill level and safety margin. Oh yeah, now no hands. Hell no. I am not taking my hands off the bars, that's for sure. I gotta tell you, this is a hell of a lot of fun. Chasing down a better rider. You know, when I ride alone, I'll push, I'll go fast, but you really don't have anybody to pace you or follow, or it's a little different. And a lot of times you go fast when you feel safe and you feel like you can do it. Whereas here, I'm just going whatever he's doing. Even if it feels a little uncomfortable, I'm still gonna do it. I mean, hell, he's going through, I can do it. So, it is different, it's interesting. Right over that road. I keep saying I'm doing these things because I just can't believe I'm actually doing it. I don't think my brain is caught up to my ability yet.
Dude, you are like...
That's so much fun. I know, I'm vlogging about how fast I'm going and keeping up.
Holy crap. That is so funny because every occasion I'll just turn around and you're like 2 bike lengths. I'm like, I gotta pick That's awesome.
Yeah, I was commenting, you took one hand off and are riding at full pace and drinking or doing something, and then you took both hands off. I'm like, no way I'm doing that.
Oh, my shirt was...
Yeah, you're saying, yeah.
Back. I'm like, ah.
All right, we were just taking a break, talking suspension settings. I think I've had my suspension very soft, and I think it's time to have it revalved stiffer because I'm going so much faster. And we are going up this thing. Come on, get a little speed going. Chugging my way up. I lost all momentum. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. That's more like it. That's how you're supposed to do it. I'm telling you, I was here the last time. I could tell I wasn't gung-ho. I just couldn't get myself to pin it going up these things. And if you can't do that, don't even try. Literally, it's just like, it's not going to work. Yep. Woo. All right. I think one of my problems is I am not strong enough to hold myself up going up these hills. You'll notice I sit. Otherwise my arms just give out almost instantly. I just get, what is that, instant arm pump or something. I think it has a lot to do with my neck and shoulders have always been very weak, and so I have all sorts of problems, back problems and everything else, so just have to use a slightly different technique. But we're all like that. We all adapt to our shortcomings or whatever it is that we need to do. Whoa, did not see that. Yeah. Yeah, I was just saying.
There's some good little challenges out here.
I told you, it's just up and down and up and down. There's some really big ones that way.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of neat because they're like this. They're not. I mean, it's not just up and down. You got this weird turn and up and over and down. It's like,
and it's super soft.
It's like snaking.
Yep.
I'll follow you.
Wow, these are some really sharp gulches in the bottom. That way? I'm not going that way. Yeah, baby. I think there's nowhere to go from here. Oh, somebody's stuck.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, cow. Is he alone? Oh, no, he's got...
No, some guy's down here. So that was a pretty good hill.
That was super cool.
Wow. So these are, we're starting to get into the big ones. I told you there's some big ones around here. Even this one is just...
At least this one's a straight shot, but it looks super loose.
Yeah, they're all loose, yeah. It's much looser than you think.
Woo! That was pretty damn good.
Yeah.
There he goes, there he goes.
No.
Oh, jeez.
No. No way.
Fill out when you can, dude.
I know, no. Wow, come on. Man, sometimes this thing just tractors up. It's pretty amazing. Whoa. And yes, we're trying to find a way up back that way without going up the monstrous. Yeah, that one's good. I could do that. God dang. Whoopsity. Whoops, having little whoop babies.
That was a blast.
Yeah.
That was really fun.
Tell you, the other thing I do, because I weight the foot pegs to do the turns, so I'll push on the right one just to make a right turn, but then I leave all the weight on the right peg. And I got into the habit of that, and now I know that's completely wrong.
Right.
So now I'm trying to train myself to transfer from one side to the other around the turn, and man, is it hard.
Yeah. What helps with that, and because I was showing Jess that too, is when you go into a corner to force yourself to do it, is that even if you're standing, lift that inside leg. You know, because then you're forced to put all the weight.
Put it all the way, yeah, like just pretend it's not there, yeah.
You don't have to go like full supercross, but just lifting it a little bit is, it kind of makes you get it. Because I do the same thing. Like I want to transfer the weight of the bike, inward. So I'll lean on the inside peg, and then then you have to.
But then you got to transfer it back out immediately. Yeah, it's.
Otherwise, like if you don't do that, the bike doesn't initiate that lean, and you kind of overshoot the corner.
Yeah, no, it definitely helps you turn, but then in the turn it just makes you slide. It just pushes and
Right, which actually you can use to your advantage if you're trying to get the rear end around.
Yeah, but usually it's the front end for me that slides.
Oh.
Because I don't give it enough gas to get the rear end out, so it's just the front end plows, and it's just like, oh, okay.
Because the rear has the traction.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So we are headed back to camp. Brent and his entire group are camping out. I'm going to head back home and maybe come out tomorrow. It's not that far for me. So I'll leave you here. We're going across all these really cool hills and mountains at the moment. Ooh, and red dirt. Gotta love red dirt. All right, well, see you guys on the next one. Take it easy. I hope you're. Oh shit! Oh, wow, that sucked. Woo! That's how you break your wrists. So I'll see you. I hope you are. 2021 is going to be a great year. Even if this whole pandemic thing doesn't end, you know what? Just enjoy it as you can, as much as you can. Things will get back to normal eventually. Anyway, see you guys later.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Now, get out of this virtual world and go make your own adventures. The amazing world is just outside your door.